If you are struggling with debt and considering a settlement, you are likely hoping for a quick boost to your credit score. However, the reality is often the opposite of what many expect. Settling a debt for less than the full amount will not increase your credit score immediately. In fact, most people see a significant drop during the process. This occurs because you typically stop making payments to qualify, and the final status is reported as settled, which is less favorable than paid in full. Credit scoring models view this as a risk since the original contract was not fulfilled. If your score is currently high, a single settlement could cause a drop of over 100 points. Payment history accounts for a large portion of a credit score, and by the time a settlement is reached, months of late markers have usually already caused damage. While this is a difficult reality, settling does offer long-term benefits. It improves your debt-to-income ratio, which is critical for mortgage and auto loan approvals. Furthermore, it stops the cycle of monthly negative updates on your report, allowing the healing process to begin. Consider the case of an individual overwhelmed by high-interest debt who chooses to settle. While the initial score impact is negative, clearing the balance provides the financial stability needed to eventually rebuild through responsible credit use. Settlement is a debt relief tool, not a credit building one, and understanding this distinction is key to your financial recovery.